Hi guys, I'm Gachapon Navigator. In this channel, usually I share with you the latest information about Japan travel tips. But today's video is a little bit different from the usual ones. Today's video is kind of relaxed ones. The things today I will do is introduce the gacha capsule toys. These capsule toys are not the latest ones. Few months ago, I moved to current places for the new residences. I don't finish open up all of the boxes. Today I opened some boxes. I found these capsule toys gacha. I think I got these ones for making the videos, but honestly I don't know what these are. And today I will open it up and show you these gacha capsule toys. When I get the capsule toys, I tend to get the miniature sized rare things. So these ones are also these kind of things. Okay, let's start to open.
Want to use Wi-Fi or eSIM in Japan? Try Japan Wireless. Unlimited data starting from $4 per day, now offering a 10% discount coupon. For more details, check the QR code on the screen or the link in the description.
The first one is, okay, I decide this one. Yeah, as I said, I don't know what this is. Right, let's open it up. The position of the camera is a little bit high. Okay, can you see this? Okay. Remove the tapes from the capsule. Okay, open it up. Okay, this is the explanation paper. It said Gachapon. It said Gachapon. Gachapon is a kind of protector from the raindrops from your umbrella on the rainy day. First, I will show you the real things of Gachapon. Yeah, like this. This is the Gachapon. When you put into this machine, automatically covered your umbrella. Yeah. Let's open the small miniature ones. Oh my. Oh. There are some items. It needs to make it up, but I can't find how to make this one. Okay, let's open. Oh, interesting. Right side, this is the real Gachapon, but I don't know what this is. Okay. Oh, this is small sized umbrella protector vinyl bag. Usually I can find the paper for making these items. Okay, I got it. Right. But I cannot find any paper in this capsule. I didn't open the capsule before, so it means it don't have any explanation paper inside. Okay, I made it. Okay, I can find how to make this one, but it's difficult. Right now, I attached the vinyl bag for the umbrella. Okay, I finished it. Look at this. This is the adapter for attaching the vinyl bag for protecting the umbrella. And right, this is the same function as the real one. Right, this is finished style. Enjoy with the ballpoint pen like this. No, not bad. kind of pen stand. It's cute as real one. Yeah, very similar. This is the first one. Okay, move to next one. Next one is this green ball. And look at this. It said Haikoki. Haikoki is the name of the brand for the electric tool, especially the building tool. Like this. I don't know what this is. Let's open this. Every capsule are closed with the tape. Okay, open. Whoa. First, you can find the paper for the description, the main item of this capsule. It seems the grinder is, like this. Okay, let's open this. This isn't need to making something. It's just a miniature item. This is it. So cute. The size is very small and the details are good. We have 2 more items. I don't know what this is. Let's read this paper. The grinder, the real things I said. The grinder is the tools for cutting the metal board. It said this is a metal board for cutting image. Yeah, just image. And this is the tools for grinder. And all I have to do is putting these sticker. When you put the sticker on the detailed things, use these items are great. Wow, very small item. Okay, I will put the sticker on this face here. Okay, I did it. Can you see the details? Okay, let's do opposite side. Okay, I did the both side. Can you see this? This number 3. This is the explanation place on the battery. Yeah. This is different brand from the Haikoki. This is Makita, but the same things are on back side of the battery. Very tiny and the details are great. I did it. So detailed. Great. This one is very cute. I like this. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, let's move to next. Okay, third one is this. You see? Yeah, it said Pizzala. Yeah, you can guess the Pizzala. It's a pizza restaurant concentrated in the delivering. Open it up. Paper and paper, pizza and box. That's it. And no need to make up something. Oh, this is pizza. Is this a margarita? And this is the box. This is made with the paper. Yeah, very similar to the real one. Yeah, this is real one. Very similar. Okay, put it on. Yeah, very similar. Interesting. It says the variation of the pizza of this miniature. It's said there are 5 variations. 1 is Joy's Special, 2 Gets, 3 Pizzala, Shrimp and Mayonnaise, 4 Italiana. What I don't know what is Italiana, and 5 is Gorgeous Quarter Tasty. I think this is Italiana. Yeah, I did it. Yeah, it's correct. I was correct. This is Italiana. Close the box. Wow, so cute. Yeah, it's good. Okay, let's move to the last one. The last one is this, and let's open this. Right. I can open. Yeah, these are inside. And first, this is a paper for explanations. And this is a wall, outside wall. This is a roof and the bottom, floor, and sticker, some stickers. I will explain what is this. This is the temporary toilet. Yes, kind of the restroom, not the permanent one. These kind of restrooms are used when some kind of event, music event, or the fireworks event. The number of the toilet restroom are very shortened. People make this kind of the temporary toilet near the event areas. This needs making up, building up. So let's start making this. Right, here is how to make this one. First, let's open the buy now bag. First one is this. This is a left side wall, it said, and there some attachment are there. This attachment is for putting on the toilet paper. The toilet paper is this. Okay, this is the toilet paper, and put this on. I can put the toilet paper on the wall. Next is making the floor. Right, this is the floor and toiletry facility. This is Japanese style toilet, very old school. Put this wall on, like this. And the back side. This is the right side wall. Put this roof on. Right. It's cute. At last, make the door. Right. I did it. This is temporary toilet. Interesting. Okay, let's see the real one. This is the real one. And this is the miniature. I missed the direction of the door. Correct direction is pattern is outside. Yeah, like this is correct. But the pattern is a little bit different. Okay, that's it. Today I showed you the 4 types of miniature items. My favorite one is this. The power tools of the making something. This is good at the details and so cute. Other 3 items are also great. It was interesting. And one of the good point of Japanese is making something details once with good quality. So these kind of things showed that things when come to Japan. Please check the gacha capsule toys machine. It's one of the good idea for your interest or fun. Okay, thank you for watching so far. Today's video is very relaxed mood. In the next videos, I will share with you the latest other tips for the Japan travel or Japanese usual life. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button and please consider subscribing to this channel. See you next in new videos. Have a good day. Have a good travel. Bye.